What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. Today it's going to be a little different for me. So I use Samsung DeX to record all my to visually see what I am doing without having to look at my phone. But the Samsung DeX is not working for my phone camera. I don't know why, but I'm gonna be looking at the camera itself just to have a little just if I have to do something a little different, then I will. So today we're going to be opening a display box for Ghosts from the Past. So I have opened one box, just a mini box of this already, because it was gifted to me. And I was like, I just want to see what I can get. I didn't get a Ghost Rare. So Konami kind of messed up a little bit with their distribution of the Ghost Rares. So you were either getting a case, which this is just a display. A case would have multiple displays. A case would either have one Ghost Rare or multiple Ghost Rares. So it was they kind of screwed the pooch on that one. So all right, there we go. I'm going to get all these opened, and I will be right back. All right, I got them opened, and we got 15 packs. Yeah, 15 packs. And hopefully we can pull a Ghost Rare. I'm not going to hold my breath on that. I know with my luck, that's probably not going to happen. But it's worth hoping. So, if we get a Ghost Rare, it's going to be in the back. So, oh, that one had a line on it. I mean, I don't really care about full pristineness of these cards, but yeah. Okay, Time Thief. Son of Avalon? I don't know. Dragunity. Oh, I'm not even gonna try. Okay, Star Knight Arrival. All right. I'm hoping to get one card. It is a tuner card, and it's probably the most expensive bar the Ghost Rares in this set. So update jammer. Here we go. Ooh. Brings back memory of the OG Yu-Gi-Oh! Salvage. And Dragunity Knight. It's not bad. Alright. Okay. Miss Vale. I already have this, like quite a few of them, but it's nice to have a kind of a rarity bump for it. So, and I'm just gonna leave it in this stack. I don't really mind. XYZ Burst and Starry Night Flamel. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna make a Starry Night deck. Not entirely like. I don't have a lot of the Starry Night cards, and I'm not really sure how the Starry Night cards work. So, Heretic Seal of Banishment. That one was kind of hard to see. So, Metal Foe, Phantom Knight Fogblade, Hellshadal Hollow. I do have a Shadal deck. I just have never really used it, nor am I like comfortable using it because it's just I haven't fully grasped how it works. Ooh, okay. Heretic Sun Dragon Overlord Helipios. Probably butchered that, but whatever. I mean, it's nice. It looks like a cherry blossom tree with some tentacles. All right. Ooh. Freshest start. Mass change 2. Dark Requiem XYZ Dragon. Ooh, pretty. Red Supernova Dragon. Alright. That one's not too bad. I don't know if I'm going to be opening a whole lot of the Ghost from the Past set. Because when I pre-ordered this display box, we didn't exactly know everything that was going to be in there. Oh, Drama Country. That's a nice rarity bump. And then Galaxy Eye, because X Dragon. Anyways, whenever I pre-ordered this, and it took over a week to get here, we didn't exactly know everything that was going to be in there. But this set is actually kind of a disappointing set. So, Galaxy Eyes, Blade Dragon, Splash Mage. I have commons, so I'm glad I got that. And then Vampire Vivode. But there is a new set coming out that for sure I want to do a box opening or booster box opening. And I'm thinking I'm going to get 3 booster box again, just to be able to do what I did with the episode. Like the 3-episode parter for Phantom Rage, because that was fun. I enjoyed opening all those booster boxes. So definitely going to be doing that again. And then, so this is a special episode. So this week you guys are getting 2 videos. This is actually the second video of the week. The first video was part 2 of the Phantom Rage openings, which that one was a little crazy with what I pulled. Because dang, I can't believe I actually pulled I think it's Zeus. Yeah, I think it's Zeus. Okay. But no, I'm definitely not going to be getting my money back from this set. So I don't really sell off my cards really at all. So a lot of whenever I say I'm not going to be getting my money back, I mean, value wise with what the cards are worth, I'm not going to be getting any kind of mental return for it. And we got what I was hoping to get. This is a $20 card, but it's also a tuner. It's the most expensive bar the Ghost Rares right now, at least. So I'm glad I got this. I'm really happy on that. Because that means I don't have to buy more Ghosts from the Past just to try and get it. Alright. Focus. Yeah, looking at my phone to do this is a little off for me, because I'm used to looking at a screen, a computer monitor screen, to see what I'm looking at, and I don't have to like try and focus on the phone. So all right, like I said, I'm not confident that we're going to be getting a Ghost Rare. So yeah, no, I mean, this one's decent. It's like a $5 card, so, and I have 2 now, so I like that. It's not bad. Gear Town. GX Days. And Herratic Sky Dragon Overlord. That one looks really nice. And our final pack for this opening. I don't believe it's going to have a ghost rare. If it does have a ghost rare, it's going to be in the back. So we're just going to set the back card there and see what we get. Sunveil Healer, Time Thief, Flyback, and a second one of these. This is beautiful, and I love that they reprinted this, because this just gives me the old OG Yu-Gi-Oh! Flashbacks and just the memories. Alright, guys. I don't think it's ghost rare, but let's see. Nope. No. Dragunity Lagatus. Alright. No ghost rare. A little sad, but I wasn't expecting it. I was hoping that there would be a ghost rare in a display set, but it's one ghost rare per case, or if you're one of those lucky people who got multiple ghost rares in a case, well, then you just got really lucky. But that was just my thinking when they first announced it, that there might be ghost rares in each display set, so I'm going to buy a display set. That didn't work out too well. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and I will see you guys next week on part 3 of the Phantom Rage box opening. And then after that, we're going to be doing a deck profile on a deck that I was able to create from the Phantom Rage box openings. I did order a couple of cards, but they were more duplicates than anything. So yeah, I will see you guys in next week's video. Have a wonderful day or night, depending on where you are in the world and when you are watching this. Bye.